Hi, I'm RWoodruff here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon with the BISH'S organization. Today I've got Gary Homer helping me do this video. Thank you, Gary. Really appreciate your help. Today I'd like to make one of my favorite recipes for my friends. I make this for my friends a lot of the time. It's just so quick, it's easy, everybody loves it. It's a really simple crepe, and today we're going to be doing peach and strawberry crepes. A cup of flour, half a cup of milk, half a cup of water, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of vanilla, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of vanilla. Those are because I'm going to be doing a dessert crepe. There we go. I like these little things of milk because they're just super handy in an RV. Now, a normal crepe recipe does not call for any sugar or any vanilla. I like to do things my way. I just add a little bit, just to give it that dessert flavor to it. Get my flour broke up there. You can use a whisk or a beater, doesn't matter. You just want to get all the ingredients combined. It's going to be like a very thin, non-rising pancake. A little bit of butter. I'm going to put in about 1 tablespoon, 1.5 tablespoons. I'm going to melt that butter. I don't want to get it very hot because I don't want it to cook my flour. So we've got our butter melted. Cool a little bit. Let's get in here. You don't want to over-whip your batter. If you over-whip your batter, you're going to create air bubbles, and you'll see them in your crepe shell. And it's going to take about a 1/4 cup of batter per crepe. We don't want our pan very hot. We want it very warm, because we're going to want to get this batter to flow around. And this is kind of my favorite part about making a crepe. Put a little butter down in my pan, get that sizzle, we're good to go. These are our 2 fillings we're going to be using. Some strawberries, some white peaches. I'm going to be using our Oregon Tillamook peach yogurt as part of my filling, and some Oregon strawberries. Yeah, we're in Oregon. And then we're going to cut away, because you don't want to watch me make about 20 shells. Nice, long, boring video. Well, that's much better. Gary, how's the shell?
That's pretty good.
I'll take that as we're good to go.
I could use some strawberries, but...
Well, I could have put some in there for you. I've got some really beautiful Oregon white peaches here. I like to separate, because I'm going to make a whole bunch of shells. I like to use some parchment paper. I almost forgot to tell you, add 2 eggs. It's a little interesting. You know, Gary and I are both salespeople here at BISH'S in Junction City, and he had to go help a customer out. And while he was gone, I went, oh look, my eggs are sitting there. Put them in my handy dandy little quick chopper. I'm just cutting these down so that they're not so big. Here's our filling. Look at that, beautiful. Love the amount of strawberries in there.
It's gonna squish out the side. Wow.
Almost like I've done this once or twice before. Super simple to make, super fun to eat. Kids love them, adults love them. You hate to say the word crepe. That one failed an inspection, Gary. Process that one.
I will see what it tastes like.